Hello everyone, welcome back to my continuing adventures, and this week I'm in Cornwall. And I've been here a few days and it hasn't stopped raining, but it's just had lunch and the rain stopped, so I thought I'd jump out on the gravel bike. Here I am. New bars there, look, you can see. Richie Venture Max comp. And I've just started the Camel Trail at Wenford Bridge. Why is it called the Camel Trail, Rich, I hear you say? Mainly because it's an old disused railway line, much like Downs Link, that links the North and South Downs, but this one follows the River Camel, which is just over there. You can possibly see, but definitely hear the weir. It's a fairly bland trail, to be honest, kind of tarmacy, with a light gravel surface. Definitely feeling the effects of all the rain that we've had over the last few days, but not a lot to look at other than trees either side of the trail, which can be a bit boring after a while. Bridge, and I was going to say the trail's opened up a bit, but oh, here we go, more trees, but yeah, more sights and smells here. Smells in Wadebridge was fish and chips, and here I can smell the sea. That's the estuary there on the right hand side. About 5 miles from Padstow now. Exciting trail, but if you're down here and you've got your bike and you want somewhere to go that's relatively flat by Cornish standards, then this is your trail. All weather surface. Oh, a bit muddy, look at that, very muddy for August. Padstow on the left hand side. That's Rock just the other side of the channel there. You can get a ferry across. Apparently you can put your bike on it, but I'm not going to chance it today. I think I'll just reverse the way I came. If you go over to Rock, there's a loop home, but I'm not sure how much of it is off-road. I'm not sure how much of it is off-road, so I don't really want to take my chances with the traffic, with the holiday traffic on these narrow lanes. So yeah, it was good, isn't it? Chuff Bakery, famous for the chuff Cornish pasties, really nice there. So there we go, Camelford to Padstow is just under 40k or 25 miles. Back now, I'm filming a few things that I didn't bother filming on the way out because I wasn't sure how long it was going to take. And there's quite a few disused stations here. As I said earlier, this is an old disused railway line. The River Camel in Camelford. This is the start and end point of my ride. I'm staying in a house about 3 doors up there with some friends, and yeah, just pretty much followed this all the way to the sea and back. So 77k, that's it's about 48 miles, isn't it? It's not a bad ride.